Hello friends, this is Miss Rini, your virtual teacher's assistant. And today's Brain Break has been brought to us by My Art House Studios. So let's head on over there to see what Morgan has in store for us today. Hey Morgan, what's going on? What you got for us today?
Hi friends, my name is Morgan and welcome to my art house studio. Today for your brain break, we're going to be doing an animal freeze dance. So I'm going to give you an animal, we're going to dance like it, and when that music pauses, you got to freeze. All right, come on out to your dance floor with me. Our first animal is going to be the king of the jungle. That's right, a lion. Come all the way down to the floor and crawl like a lion with me. Or maybe if you wanted to do a little paw line dance. Freeze. Good job. This time, friends, I want you to be a really tall giraffe. Show me that long neck with your arm.
The mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle.
Freeze. This time, I want you to be a zebra.
The jungle, the lion sleeps.
Show me that gallop. Good job, friends. Freeze. Oh, you're getting pretty good at this now. Let's be a fish. Swim with me. Can you make a fish face?
Near the village, the peaceful village, the lion sleeps tonight.
Freeze. Let's come on down to the floor. Let's do some crab walking.
Village, the peaceful village, the lion sleeps tonight.
Good job. Don't let your bottom touch the... Oh. Freeze that time. I almost messed that up. All right, friends. Let's be a kangaroo. Good job. Freeze. This time I want you to be a sloth. So smooth. Good job. This time I want you to be an eagle. Come and fly with me, friends. All right, this time around, I want you to be your favorite animal. I think today I'm going to pick a dolphin. Freeze. Oh, nicely done, friends. Take a bow. That was a phenomenal freeze dance. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you, Morgan, for that cool animal freeze dance. I thought it was very fun to watch, and I hope you at home enjoyed it. So My Art House Studios has a free Friday coming up on April 30th. Are you interested in winning a free 6-week class with them? Here's your chance. Be sure to sign up and attend the class to get your chance to win. I left the links in the description box below, so be sure to go over there and check it out. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I hope to see you soon. Bye.